This week, I drove right past Sarah's house and I couldn't find it.
Yeah, so I built a porch planter with my house number on it.
All right, guys, put on your tools. It's time for Make or Break. Welcome back to Make or Break, everybody. My name is Rob.
And I am Sarah, and did you seriously drive past it?
A little bit. I wasn't looking
gosh.
at, the numbers at all, but maybe with these new numbers, it'll be more likely to happen.
I did. I built a porch planter with brand new numbers to make it easier for people to find my house.
Here's how it went.
So building a planter like this was especially easy because it only took a single 1x6 and a 1x4. The 1x6 would end up being the back, so I just cut it down to 36 inches. Then the 1x4 would make up the box, so I cut 3 5.5-inch pieces. With my 4 pieces cut, it was time to sand, sand, and sand. Now the design is based on a simple 4-sided box and a tall back that will showcase my house numbers. All I have to do now is glue and nail the pieces together. So first I glued and nailed in the side pieces. Then I attached the front piece. Super easy! This is looking pretty good! Next I needed to paint it. My numbers will be black, so I chose to paint it white. When it was dry, I simply screwed on the numbers. They included spacers to make them stand out, which made me wonder, how hard would it be to add LED backlights to this? That'll have to wait for another project. With the numbers mounted, all that was left was to grab a small potted plant and set it up on my porch. Look how cute! And now maybe Rob won't miss my house.
All right, so, did it work? Everybody find their house better?
You showed up the next time, so yes.
That part's true. You know what? I'll tell you what. It looks super good. I like it.
Thank you.
Looks great. Apparently it works great, but it left me with a question.
Okay.
If you were to switch 2 of those numbers, that mean no one would visit you anymore?
I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us we can build anything we can imagine. We do it with Heart.
All right, guys. Break's over.
Go make something.